Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to write your Fiverr profile description. This is essential for attracting clients and showcasing your skills effectively on the platform, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Fiverr homepage where you can manage all aspects of your freelance business. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where potential clients can learn more about you and the services you offer. On your profile page, look for the section labeled About. This is where your profile description lives and where you'll make the changes we need. Click on About to open up the editing interface. This section is crucial because it's often the first thing clients read when they're considering whether to hire you, so having a compelling description here can really make a difference. If you already have a previous description that you want to replace, simply delete it by highlighting the text and removing it. Then enter your new description in the text box. When writing your description, make sure to highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique as a freelancer. Be clear about what services you offer and the value you bring to clients. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression. Once you've finished typing your new description, click outside the text box. This action will automatically save your changes to your profile. You might want to give it a moment to ensure everything has been properly saved before navigating away from the page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Fiverr profile description, giving potential clients a better understanding of who you are and what you can do for them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.